Are you ready to cook?
Ready.
Let's make something yummy.
Yummy.
Clap your hands, wash them clean. Let's make colors you've ever seen. Chop and mix, come along with me. A rainbow treat so happily. Clap your hands, wash them clean. Wassailing hands would meet the sea. Need a bright kids come underneath. A rainbow treat so happily. In a bright kitchen, fun and neat, live Lily and Max who love to eat. Let's make a snack, both bright and sweet. A rainbow salad we can beat. Point to sell plus big, small. He tell it, rainbow cool. Red, yellow, green and blue. Purple, orange, mix them too. Chop it, drop it, stir it round. Rainbow fruit is what we found. Switch up to chopping, stirring. Taste the rainbow, 1, 2, 3. First comes red, so juicy and sweet. Strawberries dancing to the beat. Apples crunch with a happy sound. Red fruits going in, they shout it loud. Then slicing, dropping in bowl. Red fruits in. Next is yellow, bright like sun. Bananas say, let's have fun. Pineapple chunks so tangy and sweet. Yellow fruits make it a treat. Peel on emotion. Yellow fruits. Red, yellow, green and blue. Purple, orange, mix them too. Chop it, drop it, stir it round. Rainbow fruit is what we found. We're dropping, stirring. Taste the rainbow, 1, 2, 3. Green fruits next, fresh and bright. Kiwi slices, what a sight. Grapes roll in with a giggle and cheer. Green fruits make it fresh in here. Roll